Local Kung Fu খন চালে মোৰ বহুত মানে the essence of Guwahati is captured very nicely. মোৰ বহুত ভাল লাগে মানে yes okay whether someone is crossing the road বা হাটিঙত শ্বুটিং কৰিছে এইখিনি গম পায় গলিয়ে গলিয়ে ৰাস্তা ৰাস্তা চিনি পায় how did that come যে ইমান hyper local movie এখন বনালে বঢ়িয়া লাগিব
We didn't really have a choice. We had very limited resources. Eta horu hura camera ami kinilu, the Canon 550D, and tarpasot amar jikhini resources asil that we had on hand. Mama ejonar ghor, aro ejon mamar ghor, aro ejon mamar ghor, and then so we knew that these were the locations we had. And
but movie to no eta cult status I go. Eta movie cult status dia bole what do you think was the biggest contributor?
We started to make an action comedy. We have friends and relatives who are good at martial arts, and some of us are good at comedy. So we had the idea just sort of fight ami bonam. Sort of fight bhal hole mazot olop kibata interesting story which has some potential for comedy. If teneke ami eta story bhai diu. So that's how we came about it. Moi puna mote like the first Ashiki starring Rahul Roy and Anu Agarwal. Hey, Anu bole agote gan kita bonwa asil tar pasothe filmor story so ours was like ami sota fight korim and mazor kibata